Hello everyone. So for today we're gonna clean up this whole mess here and set up a shelf in this spot and everything. And so I'm gonna be playing some background music while I'm doing this. There is no fast forwarding or anything else like that. So let's get going on cleaning. Sorry, of course they have to play commercial. There we go. So I'm putting this stuff in a box for right now. like that. I think I'm going to set this above. So that's what I got so far, but it looks much better than what it did. I will probably be doing more, but for right now, that's all I've got. I hope you enjoyed this little video of trying to organize this a little bit. Again, I'll probably be doing more. It's just right at the moment, this was my initial plan. I need to go through these baskets a little bit and sort them out. Have them make a little bit more sense, but at least I got the shelf up and the mess where the shelf was is cleaned up. So that's what my goal was for today. I hope you enjoyed this little organizational video and have a great day or night. Bye!